I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. I prepared it last night, went down very well with the family, and I did it because I really had no time and I would just really want to share this with you. This is perfect for the working family. I've got salmon. I've got the upper part of the salmon, which is the thicker part, because I prefer that because then it cooks evenly in the oven. I'm just going to do a simple seasoning and then bang in the oven. So I've got chipotle pepper flakes. I like these because they have a nice smoky flavor. And I've got some cracked black pepper, which I love. And just some salt. Bit of sesame oil. Sesame goes really nice with salmon. On my baking tray, and it's gonna go in the oven. I'm gonna put it 15 to 20 minutes. I don't like my salmon cooked all the way inside. I like it still a bit pink because, especially if it's really, really fresh. So I think 15 minutes is gonna be enough. 220 fan, and we'll move on to the rest. My salmon's in the oven. I'm gonna show you the quick salad to go with it. I've got rice noodles, vermicelli noodles. These are like Vietnamese Thai. Follow the instructions on the packet for cooking. I'm gonna add to this pineapple. I have almost quarter of a big pineapple sliced. Then I've got tomato. You can put as much or as little. I've got some carrot sticks, cucumber. These are all for the crunch because I love having different textures when I bite into something. And I've got here some a red onion, and it's sliced wings with some chopped green onions. And now the dressing. I've got ginger, 1 tablespoon. I've got 1/4 cup lime juice, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, and 2 tablespoons soy sauce. I'm just gonna give that a toss. And now the chili. Coriander is very important here. Just gonna chop it. You can put any aromatics in here, everything works. I'm gonna take some mint. Again, it's gonna be chopped. I don't want the stems. That's going in. And now the avocado, one of my favorite. I'm just gonna peel and slice. Now I'm gonna chop it. And I'm gonna toss it. Give it a good stir. If you want, you can put any oil, but to be honest, it doesn't need it. So there's the salad ready for my salmon. The salmon has cooled down slightly. I'm just gonna cut it. You can do this family style, so you can just have the whole salmon there, the salad in a bowl, and everybody helps themselves, or you can just plate it prior to that. A little bit of everything here. Make sure you get a little bit of the tomatoes, pineapples, the crunch. But these colors is just so vibrant. And finally, the salmon. And of course, what is a dish without that extra garnish? A healthy salmon dinner. This literally will take you 25 minutes from start to end.